Welcome back to Julie, keeper of my home. Today's just going to be a little chit chat. So what I want to talk to you about today is same thing we discussed last year about this time. For the months of January, February, and March, we're going to do the Three Rivers Pantry Challenge again this year. Last year we did it for 2 months and we could have easily gone 3, and I think we could easily go 3 again this year. So that is the goal. But we are going to have a couple exceptions in place this year because of what we learned last year. Last year was our first year, and if you don't know about the Three Rivers Pantry Challenge, what that is we are actually eating from our own pantry stores, our own food stores. We are shopping our home instead of shopping the store. We are not purchasing anything because we have enough here to get us through those 3 months. So that is the plan, beginning January 1st and ending last day in March. So there are a couple of exceptions that we learned from last year. One is coffee creamer. I would have easily knocked that one off the list. But Joe found last year he could not do it. And I did make coffee creamer for him. He just is so hooked on Coffee Mate pumpkin spice coffee creamer that he will not drink anything else. I've tried several recipes. It's just not gonna happen. And when he gets his mind set on something, there is no changing it. So we are going to make an exception for coffee creamer. The other exception is fresh greens. That was hard because I like salad greens. I can get them to go a few weeks, but I can't get them to go 3 months. So I want to be able to buy lettuce should I need it, or cucumbers. Those are things that we can't get, those fresh vegetables. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get them to go as far into that 3 months as I can get them. If I feel I need them to go with a meal, I'm gonna try to do my best not to purchase them, but we like our fresh greens, we like our fresh vegetables. And so the ones that I need for salads, I should say. So it will be cucumbers, lettuce, tomatoes. I can make do with whatever else. But those 3, those are kind of hard. I am gonna try to grow my own lettuce. I'm gonna start planting that and get that going on the windowsill. I can do that. I've done it before. I'm just not very consistent at it inside as much as I am outside in the spring and summer. So that is one thing I'm gonna do. And maybe while I can make it through that first part of the 3 months with what I have on hand, by that time maybe what I'm growing will be enough to get me through the second part. I don't know, we're gonna see that. So that's the plan. The rules are your own rules. You can do this, make your own rules, whatever works for you. You can have a budget of maybe I'm going to cut my budget from $100 down to $50. Maybe you're cutting more than that. Maybe you're just not purchasing certain items. Maybe you're making an exception for birthdays or other celebrations. That's fine because it's whatever you want to do. But for us, we have plenty here between our freezer stores, our larder, all of it. We have everything we need. The other exception, I do have a bakery that, so I'm baking. So that's excluded from everything that I'm doing here in our home. That's all kept separate. So I've got to buy for the bakery. I'm also starting a School of Traditional Homemaking Skills. For those of you who don't know anything about that, you can follow me on Facebook. I have a lot of that stuff there. If you follow me on Facebook for that in particular, follow me under my name, Julie Tweedy, because that's where I post all of that information that's not on my YouTube channel, Facebook. I'm teaching classes on just traditional homemaking skills classes, those legacy skills that I think are becoming a lost art. Bread making, meal planning, meal manners for kids, teaching kids how to do, basic cooking, basic baking, making cookies and things like that. There's a lot of classes that I will be adding in the future as well. And I hope to get these up online at some point too. So just watch for that. I've had a lot of people ask me about that. And yes, I am going to work on that, but I got to take it one step at a time. And so this is excluded also from purchasing. This school is a business, so it's separate from our home. So for our home and our personal life, we are not purchasing for 3 months. So yeah, I think we did it fine last year outside of the coffee creamer. We did very well. So I think 3 months is going to be perfect this year. I do post a lot of what we eat in a week, a lot of recipes. I show you a lot of different recipes using what we have in our larder, using what we have in our freezer, different ideas and tips and things that can help you get through, help you stretch your meals, stretch, the different meats that you have, make your vegetables and your fruit last longer. Just all these different tips that I will show you along the way. And along with doing the pantry challenge, if you follow me on my Keeper of the Home Facebook page, then you also know I am going to be doing tips on organizing and cleaning and decluttering. There's a lot of pain points in our homes that just need to be taken care of and decluttered. We are collectors of things. We're human, right? We need things. So I am going to take that month of January and just go through and organize, whether it be a drawer, a closet, a cupboard, doesn't matter. We're going to organize it. In my case right now, it's my kitchen island. That is my catch-all for everything. Everything is kept there. So it just seems like I clear it and it makes its way back. I swear it has feet. And I need to keep that clutter. I need to keep on top of it. I need to find a way to remedy this. If you guys have any tips, throw them in my direction, leave them in the comments below. I don't promise I have it all together, but I am here to help you and inspire you, and we're gonna do this together, okay? No judgment, no judgment. We are gonna work on these things together, okay? None of us are perfect. We don't have the answers to all of the questions, but we can do this together. So if you are going to join me in this decluttering and organizing, or if you're going to join me in the pantry challenge, whether it be 1 month, 2 weeks, 2 months, 3 months, whatever it is, however you want to do it, let me know in the comments below. Leave me hashtag 3 Rivers Pantry Challenge. This was started by a wonderful lady, Jessica, from 3 Rivers Homestead. She does this every year. She's been doing it, I think, for like 4 or 5 years. She has, I believe, 8 children, and she does this, and she does an exceptional job at it. So she's brought others in and encouraged others to follow. So I'm encouraging you to follow as well. There's lots of people. Type in 3 Rivers Pantry Challenge. It'll bring up a multitude of channels that are doing this. So you can always find a lot of inspiration, a lot of encouragement, a lot of meals, a lot of recipes, lots and lots and lots of goodies along the way. So, and that's what this is all about, sharing. So we want to share with you and have you share with others. So leave comments. Let me know how you're stretching your meals. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know how you're doing this. And let me know if you want to get on board with the decluttering for the month of January. So this is it. I'm going to close for now. But like I said, leave me comments below. Let me know what you're gonna do. And thank you for following me. I create videos every week on simple living, homestead grown, and all things home. If you have not already subscribed, you can do that below and leave me a thumbs up. YouTube will push me out there like nobody's business as long as everybody puts thumbs up. They like to see engagement. They like to see the comments going. They want to know that my video is alive and doing well. So push me out there, people. And I thank you for this. And until next time.